How's it going, guys? Just thought I'd do a quick impromptu video. Got a bunch of changes in the hobby space. Got this nice little workbench toolbox situation going on now. So pretty excited that having some opportunities to organize my situation. Storing a lot of charger and battery related things that are just kind of on the mind and on the bench. So gonna wire up some stuff here. Have a ABB shunt trip. Gonna get a little DC power distribution thing going on and wire up some BMSs and things like that. A lot of this is more like a test bench, not my actual power wall. So a lot of testing of components and kind of things to support the hobbies, doing a lot of charging and things like that. So you might RC chargers, power supplies, solar charge controllers. Just kind of give me an area to test it out. I'm going to build a larger setup using the 5S versions of these things and try out a couple different BMS systems, do a little solar charging, got some breakers to test out, some DC distribution stuff, and Bussmann Cooper breakers, Blue Sea bus bars, a PCB that everyone's playing with, step down DC, more Blue Sea distribution equipment, server power supplies, and eventually once you get the BMS stuff going, I'm going to try a couple different ones and got the shunt trip hooked up so the BMS can send a command to the breaker. Basically you can battery 12 volt DC circuit and on a critical fault, be it temperature or over voltage, under voltage, you can basically disconnect the battery safely from the system. So we'll keep you guys up to date, but that's pretty much what I got going on right now.